Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to read the print text, also known as the end of day report in Axanta point of sale. In every business, managers or business owners want to have a complete visibility of the sales activities performed by cashier throughout the day. The end of day or print text report provides a detailed summary of everything that has taken place in your store, from the number of transactions to petty expenses, helping you effectively track and monitor your sales. Now let's see how we can generate and review this report. To view the print text report, first click on Manager's Task and then select the print text button. Here, you can choose the date for which you want to view the report. If your store has multiple terminals and you want to view the print text report for a current terminal, simply uncheck the All Terminals option here. And if you want to view the report for all terminals, keep the option checked. Once selected, you can either preview or print the print text report. Now let's see how print text report will look like. So for this example, we will select the date as 18th of this month and click on preview. This is the print text or end of day report, which displays details such as the date, store, terminal, and other relevant information. Now you can see the total sales amount along with the number of transactions. Total sales with tax will be displayed if the tax is configured in your system. The next is refunds, and refunds with tax section shows the total amount and count of any returns or exchanges made during the day. Voided sales indicate the number of transactions that were cancelled or voided. If any credit customers have made advance payments or deposits, the amount and count will be appear here. Any petty expenses issued during the day, such as refreshments or cleaning expenses, will be shown under expenses. Next are suspended sales. These are the transactions that were placed on hold by the cashier. It is recommended to ensure that all the suspended transactions are completed before closing the day. Under the tender, you can view sales made through different payment methods, such as cash, MasterCard, Visa, or any other payment types configured in the back office. Any credit sales will appear under the tender types such as on account or credit. You can also view sales by category, helping you understand category-wise performance. Finally, the tax summary displays the tax types and the total tax amount collected. So this is how you can obtain a complete and detailed overview of your store's end of day sales using the Printex report in Axanta POS.